Industrial Alliance is a long-term disability benefits company. They provide disability benefits through group plans and policies across Canada. Industrial Alliance is also known as IA to many, and it's an old company headquartered in Quebec. If you're watching this video, you may be somebody insured with long-term disability benefits through Industrial Alliance. And if you're watching this video, you're going to get great information here, important information that will be of benefit to you. And if you're watching this video as a friend, a family member, or a loved one of somebody struggling with disability, struggling to work, or maybe they're off work now and they're insured with Industrial Alliance, keep watching this video for important tips that could help them navigate their disability benefits claim. Industrial Alliance and other insurance companies deny legitimately disabled people. They deny legitimate disability benefits claims, not because it's right, but because they put profit first. It's not fair. It shouldn't happen, but it does. Disabled workers don't expect to be disabled. I know this. My clients say, I never expected to be disabled. I never expected to have to rely on disability. They don't even know what disability insurance is. They've never read the policy. They just expect to have financial security if they are disabled, if they're part of that workforce that every year will be disabled. You don't expect to be disabled, but if you are, you expect Industrial Alliance to pay the benefits that they are supposed to pay. My name is Jeff Mitchell. I'm a long-term disability lawyer, and I'm the owner of Freedom Disability Lawyers, a law firm that is set to help disabled workers. It's what we do. We do it well. My job is to get benefits for those that are denied benefits by Industrial Alliance. They're an insurance company. You're a person. You have bills to pay, financial obligations, family to support. You have to do everything that you can to get the financial security that you depend on. My job as a disability lawyer is to help my clients get the disability benefits that they need. I know just how important this is. I know how important it is to act quickly, to build strong claims. And I hope in this video, you'll get some key tips about what I do to help my clients have their claim approved. And maybe by following these, you'll have a quick claim approval when you contact Industrial Alliance about your claim. So keep watching and learn these must-know tips when it comes to long-term disability claims with Industrial Alliance. The first one is so important. It's that you understand the test of disability in your policy or plan. Every policy and plan text is different, even with the same insurer, being Industrial Alliance. So you have to think about this. What is the actual test? What's the bar I'm trying to meet? If you don't know the bar, it's hard to pass. So read the policy text and understand, what does Industrial Alliance mean by disability? What do they mean by disabled? And once you know that, you then have to think about your own job. You have to say to yourself, what is my job actually about? What are those core duties, those responsibilities, those key tasks? What makes my job hard? What makes it challenging? What makes it important? And every job is different. Hairdressers, doctors, lawyers, mechanics, assembly line workers, nurses, you pick, all these jobs are different. They all have different attributes, skill sets, cognitive demands, physical demands, emotional demands. They all are different. Your claim has to be unique. Your claim has to be specifically built to connect your disabling medical condition to why you can't do the jobs. And the stronger that you make that connection, the more likely that Industrial Alliance will approve your claim. So take that and put it into your application materials. You need to enhance your application, your employee statement. You need to enhance that with a great, clear connection to explain to Industrial Alliance what your job is, what those duties are, and why you can't do them. And I encourage you to think of it this way. What are the skills needed for your job? What is the experience needed for your job? What's the training and education needed? Think about that. Skills, experience, education, training. You didn't wake up ready to do your job. There's a path there. There's important skills, important learnings. When you think about your job through that lens, you should realize that there's skilled work, important work, hard work in every job. And that sometimes, because you're struggling with your physical health, your mental health, or your cognitive abilities, that you just don't have enough in you to do the job. Say that because of your struggles, you can only give this much. That's your full capacity. But if the job needs a higher level and you can't get up there anymore, you can't get out of bed and go to work every day and get to that level, then that's where Industrial Alliance should step in. That's what long-term disability benefits are for. But it's important that you make the significance clear, that you explain what your job actually requires and what you can do. The more clear you make that line and that difference between what you need to do and what your capacity is, the more likely that your claim will be approved. I'm going to jump now to the third must-know point. And when it comes to your application with Industrial Alliance, you need to have your doctor in your corner. Some of us have a family doctor for years. Some of us don't have a family doctor at all. You need to have a doctor in your corner to support your application. They need to support you by completing a persuasive medical report. And no matter how long you've known your doctor, my experience is that you don't talk to your doctor about your work and your struggles and your disabling medical conditions and the text of a disability test. Let me tell you this. Your doctor went to medical school. They're smart, they're educated in the medicine. They're good at what they do, but they haven't done your job. They haven't done the job for as long as you. They don't know what the job is. They don't know what the tasks are. They don't know what the responsibilities are. And they don't know how hard it is to get up every day and do the job. 1 day, 2 days, weeks, months. They don't know. So you have to explain it to them. You have to sit with them and take them through your day. Take your doctor into your day and say, this is what I do. I get to work. I have to do this. Important job, that. Tasks, duties, reporting. Explain why it's hard. Explain the toll physically, mentally, emotionally, cognitively. Explain why it's just too much. Why you could do it, but why you can't do it anymore. And the better you can advocate for yourself as a patient, the better your doctor will advocate for you in their report. And let me tell you, invest the time in this relationship because you're going to need to see your doctor again. You're going to need to see them for another report because Industrial Alliance will require it. Your doctor gives you medication, gives you referrals, advises on rehab plans. They do so much, so you need to have this person as your advocate. As a disability lawyer, I rely so much on a strong relationship with the doctor, and I can help with that. But it starts with you. You're the patient. So book that appointment today. See your doctor and start turning that physician into a support person in your claim for long-term disability benefits. Take it from me, if there's a way that Industrial Alliance will deny your claim, they'll take it. I know that it's so important to build a strong claim, a persuasive claim, a claim that Industrial Alliance has to approve. A claim where they say, yep, this person's clearly disabled, they can't do the occupation, we have to pay them. They're disabled. They have the medical support. They've clearly conveyed why they can't do the job. And if you put those pieces together, the probability that your claim is approved goes up substantially. So I urge you to take the time to do these steps. Invest the time, invest the energy, because it pays off. It pays off in financial security. Now, the next part is what happens if you're approved. If your disability benefits claim is approved, then you get benefits. You have a direct deposit or you get a check every month, and that will occur so long as you're disabled. so long as you meet the test. If Industrial Alliance denies your disability claim, you need a lawyer's help. You need a long-term disability lawyer to help explain what your rights are, what your options are, where you stand. At Freedom Disability Lawyers, we are here to provide information and education to you. We're here to answer your questions. Reach out to me through the website, by phone, by email, by text, whatever's easiest for you. My job is to get you answers so that you can understand where you stand. I tell you, I've been doing this for a long time, and I've been asked questions that you have, and it's so quick, it's easy for me to give the answers because I've dealt with this before. So don't sit there and struggle with what to do. Just ask. It's so simple. There's no risk, no obligation. All you need to do is ask your questions. I want to give you answers, so let me help you. Ultimately, if you need a long-term disability lawyer, I'm here to help. If I can help you, I will help you. But it all starts with your questions. So, if you're sitting there struggling with work, if you're sitting there concerned about what Industrial Alliance will do with your disability claim, ask the questions. I can tell you what strategy I would suggest, how I can help you today, how you can increase the strength of your application, how you can protect your tomorrow, how you can protect your family, how you can give them financial security. I know this is a tough time, emotionally, financially, it's a struggle. So if I can take any weight off your shoulders, I'm here to do that, and I'm happy to do it. I want to. So reach out today with your questions. I'll get you answers today, and if I can help you, I will. I hope to hear from you, and I wish you all the best on your route to recovery with Industrial Alliance. Take care, and chat soon.